If you're having trouble logging into your X, formerly Twitter, account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. We'll cover what to do if you forgot your password or username, what to do if you think your account was compromised, and how to fix browser issues that can block the login page from loading properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common situation, which is forgetting your password or username. Open the X login page in your browser, or open the X mobile app and tap Forgot Password. This is the fastest starting point if you can't remember your login details. Next, enter the email address, phone number, or X username connected to your account. If you're not sure which one you used, try the one you normally use for social accounts, or the one you may have linked when you created the profile. After that, choose where you want to receive your verification code. X will usually offer your linked email address or phone number. Pick the option that you still have access to, because you'll need that code to continue. Then go to your inbox or text messages and look for the verification code. Keep in mind that the code is only valid for 60 minutes, so it's a good idea to enter it as soon as you receive it. Once you have the code, type it into the reset page and click Submit. From there, follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and something you haven't used on other accounts. A good password should combine letters, numbers, and symbols whenever possible. Once you've finished, try logging in again with your new password and see if the problem is solved. Now, if you suspect your X account has been hacked or compromised, you need to act immediately. The first thing to do is change your password using the reset process we just covered. If someone else may have access to your account, don't wait. Resetting your password can help lock out unauthorized users and give you back control faster. After that, go directly to the X account access form. This is the official support form used for account access issues, and it's especially important if you believe someone has taken over your account or you're unable to recover it normally. Follow the on-screen steps carefully and fill out the form with as much accurate information as possible. When you submit it, X can review the issue, freeze unauthorized sessions, and send you a secure password generation link if needed. Now, let's move on to browser-related problems. Sometimes the issue isn't your password at all. It can be caused by redirect loops, loading errors, cached files, or cookies that are interfering with the login page. If that happens, open an incognito or private browsing window and try logging in at x.com again. This helps rule out extension conflicts and stored browser data that may be causing the issue. If Incognito Mode doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache and cookies through your browser history settings. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be blocking the login page from loading correctly. After clearing the cache and cookies, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If you're still stuck, double check that you're using the correct login method. For example, make sure you're entering the right email, phone number, or username, and confirm that your internet connection is stable. You can also try switching devices, switching browsers, or using the X mobile app instead of the browser version. Sometimes a simple change like that is enough to get you back in. The key thing to remember is to work through the fixes in the right order. Start with password recovery if you forgot your login details. Move to the account access form if you think the account is compromised. And if the page itself is acting up, try Incognito Mode and clear your cache and cookies. These steps solve most X login problems without unnecessary stress. If this video helped you fix your X login issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with anyone else who may be stuck on the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.